This variable represents the sorting mechanism for results retrieved from the Neo4j vector store. Using LangChain, it defines the criteria used to order the search results, ensuring consistency and predictability in the retrieval process. This mechanism is essential for organizing and managing search results effectively. Advantages: enables consistent and predictable ordering of search results based on the order of the indices in the Neo4j database. This mechanism ensures that search results are consistently ordered according to the index names defined in the Neo4j database, regardless of the query. This predictability enhances the user experience by making results easy to interpret and navigate. Simplifies result management by providing a clear sorting criterion. By using a clear sorting criterion, it simplifies the process of managing search results. Users can easily understand how the results are ordered, making it easier to navigate and find specific information. Offers flexibility in defining search result ordering based on index names. This mechanism allows for flexibility in defining the order of search results by leveraging index names within the Neo4j database. This provides users with the ability to tailor the results to their specific needs and preferences. For instance, users could prioritize results from a specific index by placing it earlier in the index name order. Challenges: limited flexibility. The primary limitation of this sorting mechanism is that it relies solely on index names for ordering. This lack of flexibility means that other criteria, such as relevance scores or timestamps, cannot be used for sorting. Performance implications. Sorting large datasets based solely on index names can potentially impact query performance. As the dataset grows, sorting becomes more computationally demanding, potentially leading to slower response times.